Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how we can change the aspect ratio of a video in CapCut PC. Okay, here I have created a project in my CapCut PC and I'm going to change the aspect ratio of this video. So the step is very simple. We just need to click on the ratio option and select the ratio you would like to apply to your video. And I'm going to select this 9:16 ratio. We can tap on it. Okay, as you can see that the ratio has been changed, and I'm going to zoom in the video like this. Okay, and now the video is using 9:16 ratio. Alright guys, and that's how we can change the aspect ratio in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.